Do you want to know how to pronounce OI in French? The letters OI in French are pronounced wa. In this video, I am going to tell you how to make the wa sound and when OI shouldn't be pronounced wa. I will also talk about other spellings of the wa sound, some of which are very useful, so make sure you stay until the end of the video. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Lexi. Let's dive in. First, let's see how to make the wa sound. The wa sound, there is the semi-vowel U as the letter W in the English words woman or way. It sounds like a short U sound. And there is the oral vowel A. The A sound is similar to the A in the American pronunciation of father, but the mouth is open wider. A. Let's practice together. U, A, U, A, U, A, wa, wa, wa. J'ai soif, j'ai soif. Trois. Noir, noir. Le foie, le foie. Le miroir, le miroir. Pay attention to the order of the letters. OI are pronounced wa, but IO are pronounced yo. Un choix, un chiot. The letters OI together are always pronounced wa. There is one exception, un oignon, un oignon. But pay attention to nasal vowels. If the letter OI are followed by N, they can be pronounced ouin. Moi, moins. If you don't know how to make a nasal sound or how to recognize a nasal vowel, check out this video next. Coincé, coincé. Un soin, un soin. Un témoin, un témoin. Un point, un point. Un besoin, un besoin. Pay attention to the order of the letters as well. OIN are pronounced ouin, but ION are pronounced ion. Loin, lion. Now, let's talk about other spellings of the wa sound. The letters O, U, E also make the sound wa. Un tatouage, un tatouage. La douane, la douane. Inavouable, inavouable. La Papouasie, la Papouasie. Injouable, injouable. There are also some very rare spellings. Une poêle, une poêle. Un moelleux au chocolat, un moelleux au chocolat. And guys, if you struggle to pronounce the E sound, you can check out this video next. And be sure to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. À la semaine prochaine!